How to withdraw Sweatcoin to Fampay. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can withdraw your Sweatcoin or Sweat tokens and get the money into your Fampay account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure you have the two apps installed, the Sweat Wallet app that's linked to your Sweatcoin account and a crypto exchange that supports Sweat like Binance, OKX, or KuCoin. You'll also need your Fampay account ready for the final withdrawal. Now, open your Sweat Wallet app. Tap Send, choose Sweat, and when it asks for a wallet address, head over to your exchange app, tap Receive, and select Sweat. Copy the deposit address, make sure it's on the near network, and paste it into the Sweat wallet, then send your Sweat tokens over. Once your tokens show up on the exchange, trade your Sweat for the stable coin like USDT or directly for your local currency like INR if available. After that, go to the withdraw in your exchange app and send the funds to your linked bank account or UPI ID. When the money reaches your bank account, open Fampay and simply add money using the same link account of UPI. Then boom! Your Sweatcoin is now a real cash in Fampay. And that's it. That's how you withdraw your Sweatcoin into Fampay. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick crypto guides.